And the rough touch of class draws for your lead. Badarel, Bodman's Bounty, Marcus Empire, and Daddy outside is Bombs. Moving up is Cannon Wheel by the rail, Gen Spirit, Leica in Manila. And bringing up the rear is entry number 6, Royal Scepter. About to pass the last 600, now we have Bodman's Bounty. Bombs is on the outside. Marcus Empire in between runners, moving up Lega in Manila. Gen Spirit, Royal Scepter, and Badarel Touch of Class. As they pass the last 450, now we have 4 runners, making it 5. Royal Scepter in between runners, moving up on the outside. Is Leica in Manila, and running in between Badarel is Bombs. Now we have Royal Scepter in command. Bombs, Leica in Manila. With the last 75 meters more to run, Royal Scepter over Leica in Manila, Bombs, and final Royal Scepter, Leica in Manila, Bombs, Cannon Wheel, number 4, Marcus Empire, Bodman's Bounty, Touch of Class, and Gen Spirit.
6-8.